Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Dave Banyard. He is President and CEO at MasterBrand. Dave, it's wonderful to have you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Yeah, thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
My pleasure. So now, Dave, let's start by talking about MasterBrand. It's your first year as a publicly traded company. Tell me about the company and your first year.
It's been a great first year, and I'd say that in a way that it feels like we've been on our own for a long time. The team's really done a phenomenal job this year of adapting and becoming a public company, and so it's been a fun year, a lot of hard work. Revenues are down this year, which makes it difficult, but the team has done a really great job of executing and delivering for both our customers and our shareholders, so we're very excited about that.
Now talk to me about the current market. What's that like?
Yeah, so what's interesting about this year is the market didn't do exactly what we thought it would, in that we thought new construction would be down a bit more and repair and remodel will be a little more robust. And what we've seen so far through Q3 of this year is the exact opposite of that. And I think it's a testament to our builder partners that they've done a phenomenal job of navigating a very difficult interest rate environment, which obviously translates into mortgage rates. And they've done a wonderful job of working through that. And I think combined with the fact that there aren't a lot of homes for sale in the existing market, they've been able to take advantage of that by helping consumers get into new homes. And so that part of our business has done very well. The repair and remodel market's a little more tepid through the third quarter of the year, but I think that ultimately people love their kitchens and want to redo their kitchens, and we're hoping that eventually leads to higher growth in that area as well.
Now kitchens, tell me, why is it such an important part of the home?
Well, it's where everybody sort of congregates, if you think about it. At least in the United States and to some extent in Canada, where we also do business, kitchens have gotten larger. You know, my first kitchen was one of those galley kitchens where you don't have a whole lot of space to even cook. Today, kitchens are, often big open rooms that have other things besides cooking and food. I think people just like gathering in the kitchen. It's where you eat. Families gather there. I know my kids do their homework sometimes in the kitchen. And so it really has become the centerpiece of the house. And so people put a lot of pride into that room, and cabinets are a huge part of the aesthetic and the functionality of that room. So that's what we love about what we do, is that we're kind of the center of the house. And so we love to be a part of that.
And what would you say MasterBrand does better than anyone else?
Well, a couple different things. We have the broadest product spectrum in the market. So you can do a fully custom kitchen with us, or you can buy something off the shelf from us, and everything in between. We're the only cabinet manufacturer that has that breadth of product. And we bring that to the market through a variety of different channels. So that's the starting point. I think on top of that, though, I think it's all about the service level that you provide. Because ultimately, if the consumer's not happy with what they're getting, you're not going to be successful. And so there is a huge amount of service in this business, and that people miss that. They think we're a product company, but we spend a lot of time with our customers, from the large builders all the way down to the small dealers, making sure they have all the tools that they need to be successful in remodeling a kitchen.
All right, now finally, 2024 is right around the corner. Tell me, what are you most excited about for the coming year?
I'm excited about a lot of work that we've done this year. Every strategic plan is a journey. It's not a destination. And the things we're working on right now are really exciting. So for example, we're launching a new customer portal here early on in the new year. We've tested it internally and with a few select customers. And it's really a great bridge for us to be able to communicate effectively, back to that service level I was talking about. Being able to communicate with your customers in a very seamless, effective way so that they have all the information at their fingertips while they're trying to help that consumer work through the journey. And we have one today. It's a homegrown system that's kind of outlived its usefulness. And I think our new portal is going to be phenomenal, and it's going to be something that we continue to develop as we go into 2024.
All right. Well, Dave, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
All right. Thanks for having me.